If you thought it was impossible to find a nice house in Southern California for under $400,000, then you gotta check this one out. My name's Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. All my contact information is in the description below. I'm a real estate agent at Exp Realty in Southern California. And this is what you're gonna like about this place. It has a fireplace, all new paint, new countertops, new stainless steel appliances, new water heater, new AC unit. 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And it's on a quiet cul-de-sac street. Where else are you gonna find that for under $400,000?
To you.